thinks he's fine. Also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants to just fix on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you mine. No, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. No, don't want none of your time. No, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you mine. No, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. No, don't want none of your time. No, I don't want no.
Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. Period. If you're new here, my name is Ashley, aka Ash Kardash. Welcome, sit back and enjoy. Okay guys, so today we are going to be diving into something a little different. Glasses. This video is sponsored by Vooglam. I chose 5 different pairs from the influencer catalog, but they have so many pairs to choose from. Like, it's ridiculous. So whether you're looking for a new style, you need a new fresh prescription, because they do those, or you just want to see how their frames look, I got you covered. Stay tuned. I got a bunch of different pretty unique styles. Like with these glasses, I've never seen any like these before. Like, I wear glasses, not like prescription glasses, but like just glasses to like go with my outfits and stuff, but I'd never seen any like these. Like, these were eating down. They were eating down. So we're gonna try on all these today, and we're gonna see which one I'm going to wear to my sister's fashion show tomorrow. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the packaging. This is how it came. I'm gonna open it with you guys. And like I said, I got 5 pairs. So we're gonna start off with the packaging. Like, this is what the frames come in. This little baggie is cute, and each of them come with one of these to wipe the glasses, which is so neat. I really like that. And it also comes with this. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. Open the first pair. Now these, I know my mom will love these, because this is literally her style. Should I give them to her or should I keep them for myself? Because me and my mom literally have the same, like close to the same style. And these are nice. Oh, let me use these to just clean it a little. And then we're gonna try each on. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna lie, I may have to keep these because I really like these. And like, I literally have on lashes right now. It's not touching the frames at all. Like, these are nice. Like, look. Yes, I really love these. I cannot believe it's not touching my eyelashes. Like, what? I usually have to take off my glasses because my eyelashes keep getting stuck, but they're not even getting stuck with these. I really love these. And the color, have you ever seen any glasses like these? I didn't think so. Yeah, these are eating. I really like these. Like, sorry mom, can't have these ones. My face already looked different without glasses on, and I want to put them back on right now. Moving on to the next pair. Ooh, now the next pair are these gold clear frames. If y'all know me, y'all know I love clear frames. Like, these are literally like my favorite things to wear. Yes, I really love these. Like, oh my gosh, these are eating, and it goes with my hair. Like, the gold, yeah, it's giving like Professor. Is it like, I like them. I like them. I think I look smart. Well, I'm already smart, but this just makes me look smart. And like, you know, I really like these. I really like these. I really like these. These, okay, yeah, yeah. I could see myself wearing these out, like with a cute little vest. Yes, a cute little vest. I can see it. I can see it. Or like a white button-up shirt. You know, the like business casual button-up white that you wear to like a job or something. I can see that with these. Moving on to the next one. Okay, it looks like this on the side and this in the front. It's like blingy at the top and bottom, but the bottom is silver and the top is black. I'm gonna just wipe these off too. Okay, not gonna lie, these go with the outfit for real. This go with what I got on today, and I'm actually about to go somewhere, so I can really wear these to where I'm about to go, because y'all see it. It's really cute. Like, I don't know, like I need some more. I need like 10 more, maybe 15 more, maybe 20, because these, yes, 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 that's all. Just buy them. Just buy them at this point, because I'm telling you, these are nice. Like, do y'all see like the silver at the bottom and the black at the top? Like, it's just, I don't know, like these, I'm literally wearing these. I'm literally wearing these tonight, and they go with my outfit. Like, come on now, you cannot beat that at all. Oh, oh, okay, this is how the sides looks. It says Vooglam on the side, and it's that color. Now y'all, look at these. I already know these finna eat. I already know. Hold on, maybe I should wear these. Maybe I should wear these tonight. Like, y'all, excuse me, these are the ones that give students, professor, school, Apple, all of it. Cause you see me, you okay, right? Do y'all see? I like how it's like smaller, like it goes kind of like into a cat eye a little bit. Love, 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 love. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. I'm wearing these. I keep saying I'm wearing every one tonight. I have to pick one, but okay. The last pair look like this on the side. Can you see that? Hold on. Yeah. And these in the front, y'all. These, when I seen these on the thing, I said, oh, I have to get those. Have to get those. Let me just clean them off a little bit with this that it comes with. Let's give them a hand, because Vooglam really did their thing. Like, do you see the black and white? I don't think y'all see. You don't see this? Right. Because, are you kidding? Maybe I should wear these. I could wear these tonight. I can. Or I can wear these to the fashion show. Maybe these to the fashion show, because these are eating. I just love how it goes, the black and white right here. Like, I just love that. It's giving puzzle, and I just love that. I just love that. I just love that. I just love that. Down. I'm gonna wear these. You can't tell me y'all don't like these. Like, Vooglam, like, where have y'all been all my life? Like, these, Yes. 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 They just enhance your face so good. Like, cause look. What more can I say? Get these. Get these. Get these. Get these. Get these. You gotta get them. You got to. You got to. You see how cute they are. And you can get a prescription if you need it. Come on. I feel like if you're not shopping with Vooglam, what are you doing? They're affordable. They're nice. Did you see those frames I just tried on? They're trendy. Like, they're not boring like the regular ones you see every day or like in this Walmart or something. Like, these are affordable and they're cute. Get them. Get them. Get them. Get them. Get them. Get them. Please. Please. Because I will be. And you better get them before I buy them all. Thank you. Thank you. So, I'm just going to end the video right here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post. And I will add some more clips of me trying on the glasses right here. Bye, guys.
I know you know this not change, but I'll be the one that